After us. All right. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Your birthday. It's not your birthday.
We brought a birthday boy with us.
You big favor. All right, you have a seat. Have a seat. Come on. Is it your birthday too?
It's not my birthday.
Fantastic. Come here.
All right.
You're right over here.
I'll be right here.
Oh, if you want to hand your phone to my friend Robin over there, they'll take some nice photos and videos
Thank
for
you. Video's already going.
All right, let's jam.
Okay.
It's their birthday, right?
It's his birthday.
We gotta sing happy birthday, okay?
We're gonna sing happy birthday.
You got that?
We're locked in.
Are you sure?
We're singing happy birthday.
What vocal part are you? Like bass tenor? What are you?
I'll do the bass. I'll do the bass.
Ooh,
Yeah.
like
Happy birthday to you.
All right. What's their name?
Will.
Hi, Will.
Hi, Will.
I'm the Grinch, and this is
Penny.
Penny, and we're going to perform for you today. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
To you.
Happy birthday
To you.
I think that was great.
That's solid.
They should hire us for parties.
Yeah, we can do a duet sometime. I like this. Good stuff.
Group
Good stuff.
photo. Come on.
All right. Get on.
Come on. Here we go.
Get in here. All right.
Look at you. You know your angles and everything. All right, get up. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Great to meet you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
That's amazing. Happy birthday. Thank you.